Greer, you don't throw Mr. King on the floor. Oh, there you go. Love Mr. King. Love him. Oh, that's not nice. Greer. Yes. Good boy, Davis. Turn the corner.
Give Mr. King a kiss.
You love Mr. King, Greer?
He's got a good kiss.
Done with Mr. King? All right, Davis, turn around. Good boy. Uh-oh, we spotted the camera. Okay, let's fight. Let's fight. Chase him, Greer. Run, Davis, run. Here she comes. Here she comes.
Go on the floor. Move it over. Go on the floor.
Whoa. Good girl, Greer. You do yours. Don't run over Mr. King. Uh-oh, Mr. King, Mr. King. What? What you doing, Greer? Come over here. If you learned how to walk, Greer, that'd be a whole lot easier. It'd be a whole lot easier. It would be. Okay, Davis, push him on the floor. Okay, y'all finished? So bye-bye. 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 Yeah. Greersy Jane. Greer. Bye-bye.